If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire
the Dartman and the neighbor.
Alright, Dartman here. I'm doing my intro after the fact. Just down in Arizona and got a chance to fire some automatic weapons. It was a hoot. And the first one here is a Glock 17 submachine gun, and we fired it and it was in a 9mm. This is pretty close to what we were shooting for a picture. I just have it on my computer here. And then the other one's an M240. See if I can pull it up here on the computer here real quick. Give me a second. M240. Most of you probably know what they look like. I'll just go to images here. Bear with me. There's a good picture one. Yeah, there. And the second and third video, yeah, the M240, and that's in a .308 caliber and 40 round belt. A lot of fun, a lot of dust and gunpowder flying off that this rifle. I'll show you the targets at the end of the video as well. Had one group pretty good. And I think the range on the Glock 17 was probably 15 yards, and on the 240 I think we're shooting about 30 yards maybe, and that indoor range. And that was in Scottsdale, Arizona. A lot of fun. And show you a quick video of me shooting in the range. Wish we could shoot these in Canada at coyotes, because I would probably take one out.
It gets wiggly.
Better. This is the target from the Glock 17. Started kind of center, and then the barrel raised up to the right on me. You can see the full group off beside his head there. And yeah, pretty snotty little gun.
Alright, you ready? We'll need that.
And this is my first group with the M240. Beginner's luck, I guess. But yeah, I was in behind it nice and solid and kept her right on the red dot on his chest. So pretty good group. First time ever firing a rifle like that. And yeah, had a hoot. My second go, I slid, and I'll show you that target here.
Good shots there? Nice. For sure you got it.
That was bad. Oh, excuses. This is fucking pushing me over.
Pretty tough.
Yeah,
it's a lot better on a dirt hill or something.
The gun was so warm, that's what it was.
You guys overheated it.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah.
This is the last clip, and I was starting off for headshots. Got a couple in before I slid to the left, and then my group was up here just beside his head. So tried for it, but slipped on the concrete. Still made an okay group up there, but yeah, once a gun gets going, it's pretty hard to bring it back onto target. So a lot of fun. Wish we could do these in Canada, but we're not allowed, so we have to travel to our friends in the States to have a little fun. Alright, hopefully we get some more coyotes. We got a ton of snow making it tough, but we'll get out there and hopefully get you guys some more videos. Dartman out.